Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today, I'm super excited to show you this 2019 Chevrolet Express 3500 with only 66,000 miles. Now, real quick, we are located here in Oklahoma, which means this truck is pretty much rust-free. But if you're out of state, we have delivery available coast to coast, nationwide. We can park this truck right on your doorstep. Our licensed and bonded delivery companies will stick this on a trailer and bring it to you no matter where you are. Now let's talk about this cargo box. We have an aluminum skinned cargo box by the Supreme Corporation. It measures 15 foot long. You have a hardwood floor, plywood lined walls, D-rings, an aluminum roof, LED lighting. It is a well-equipped box. And of course, if you need other add-ons or accessories, just let us know. I'm sure we can do it. And of course, tacked onto the rear is our aluminum pull-out loading ramp. It's there when you need it. It's tucked away when you don't. Well, hey Jeff, I need a lift gate instead. That's okay. Just call me. We have those in stock too. Let me ask, is this the kind of truck you're looking for? Maybe you want to see more videos like it? Well, you gotta let me know. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit me up in the comments. Ask me a question. Tell me what you think. I would love to get back with you. And taking a look here in the cab interior, everything functions and works exactly like it's supposed to. It is in very nice condition. Now, even by 2019 standards, these things are pretty darn basic. I mean, you get an air conditioner, a radio, some auxiliary power ports, and seat belts. That's about it. They don't give you much. Hey Jeff, this truck would work perfect for me, but I need to haul 3 people. This only has 2 seats. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the third man jump seat. It looks like it was put in there by the factory. This does not come with the truck, but it is definitely available. Give me a call for pricing, as the price does fluctuate with year, make, model, and so forth. If you've ever had this 6.0 liter gas, you're usually leading the medium duty class. She's thirsty for fuel and she loves to roar, but she'll give you 300,000 miles and more. Hello, the Vortec is just an overbuilt powerhouse. If you haven't had one before, you'll love it and you'll never go back. Hey Jeff, how do I buy this truck? Well, we take cash payments and we have very competitive financing. If financing is something that we can help you out with, just down below is our digital pre-approval credit app. It's a soft pull, so it won't ding your credit. Fill it out, hit send, and it'll give us just enough information to tell you what we can do for you. Well, that wraps it up. Don't forget, my name's Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.